Hello, curious minds. Today we're going to explore the juicy world of apples. Get ready for some fun and fruity facts. Fact number 1. Did you know that apples float in water? It's not magic, it's science. About 25% of an apple is made of air, so it's less dense than water. That's why it floats, like a little boat. Fact number 2. There are over 7,500 types of apples in the world. Red, green, yellow, sweet, or sour. There's an apple for everyone. Fact number 3. Apples are part of the rose family. That's right, your favorite fruit is related to roses. Pretty and delicious. Fact number 4. An apple is made up of about 86% water. So when you bite into one, you're getting a crunchy, juicy, healthy snack. Fact number 5. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. That's because apples are full of vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants that help keep your body strong and healthy. So next time you eat an apple, remember, you're eating a fruit that floats, comes from a flower family, and keeps you smiling from the inside out. See you next fun fact video.